All right, hello everyone. I'm going to be giving the tutorial on how to build an APK file from MIT App Inventor, and also how to upload it to APK Online and run it. So here I am in the virtual machine. I've already downloaded the APK file to save time, but once you're in MIT App Inventor and you're done with building your app, you'll go to Build, and then you'll click on APK. And once you click on that, it'll start downloading or building the APK file. And then once it finishes building and compiling, you'll click on download and you'll be able to do that. So once that is done, you'll go over to, I'm already on the website, but you'll go to apkonline.net, search that up, go under products, and go to upload and run an APK. It's the bottom option. Once you're on this screen, you'll click on this upload button. You'll go to browse and you'll find where the APK file is at. So here it is, hello world. Open, upload APK. Oh, didn't select. It's a little frozen, give it a second. Try cancel. Browse. Okay, now it's there. Upload APK, it's uploading. Still uploading and almost there. Okay, now it's finished uploading. Once it's fully uploaded, you'll click all the way to the right. It says run APK. And before you press start, you have to wait until right here. It says the file location right here. So once that is loaded, once you could see that it says your APK file name, then you can press start. It's going to start the emulator, so you just have to wait a bit. Still loading. And then once the emulator is ready, press enter. Now it's going to start the emulator. And this is how we're going to be able to test our APK files. So this is our hello world one. So it's a button and it's supposed to say hello world when you click on it.
Hello world.
And there you go. So that is how you build an APK file on MIT App Inventor and upload it to APK Online to test it.